what I like to think is when I hear people talk, they talk about UV or LED UV and they say, okay, you're not gonna have spray powder and everything's gonna be dry and your power's gonna be lower, and that's all great. And to me, that's actually all the hooey. The good stuff is what I'll tell you about in my experience here in a minute. So the real benefits, rather than what you hear about, what they tell you about spray powder and all that fun stuff. But from my perspective, being an owner and watching the production, the things that we saw were immediate in them, because one of the other aspects I really like about the LED is there's like zero maintenance. I mean zero maintenance. I remember coming to the show last year and they had this guy, I can't remember what his name was, Don the UV man or whatever his name was, and he was going over conventional UV and like changing out bulbs and the heat and the electric and maintenance, and I was like, oh my God. And there's zero maintenance we do. There's zero. It's the lamp goes on, your ink is cured, the lamp goes off. You don't do anything. So it's just like kind of like magic. I mean, your ink's just dry when it hits the delivery.